This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, awning, refrigerator, slide-out, air conditioning, skylight, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front entertainment, front living area, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 390RK is 13,336 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.